Hello, welcome to Theosophy in Wales. I'm Dave Marsland. Humanity now participates in its own evolution. Well, Theosophy postulates that the driving force behind evolution is consciousness seeking to find expression, and this applies to everything in the universe, down to the smallest atom. Everything has consciousness, everything is seeking to find expression and therefore evolving. Now, evolution, according to Theosophy, is directed by a guiding intelligence that comes from the original higher consciousness behind the universe and the plan for the universe, the cosmic ideation. And evolution is therefore not blind, and it isn't just chance. Now, human evolution, in addition to the guiding intelligence, is also operating within the framework of mass reincarnations known as root races. Now, there are 7 root races in each cosmic era known as a globe, and there are 49 globes in the current planetary cycle, after which we will evolve into something higher. We're on the 25th globe, or we're in the 25th cosmic era, and we are the 5th root race of 7. There are 2 more to come, but that's a long way off. No need to be concerned about that just at the moment. Anyway, we're the 5th mass reincarnation of humanity in the current cosmic era. Now, in each root race, we learn, or we evolve by developing a principle, and in this phase of our evolution, that principle is the principle of mind. Now, mind has brought us a very long way in a very short time. We've come from tribal subsistence hunter-gatherers to a global urban technological society in about 15,000 years. That is, it's fantastically quick in evolutionary terms. In that time, well, we've changed ourselves. In the developed countries, we're actually all bigger, we're living longer, we've eradicated many diseases. The whole world hasn't caught up yet, but that's a problem that we can deal with and probably will eventually. Also, there's genetic modification that will again change us. We've changed our social setting. Coming from tribal societies, we now live in urban societies dominated by politics, religion and economics, and this is all driven by intelligence and information. Also in this time we've developed art and culture and science and technology. The science and technology has caused us a lot of problems that we're going to have to solve, and in a way we've got ourselves onto a technological treadmill that our technology, as we've moved on, has created problems and we have to solve them. But we can't go back. If you go back to, say, Europe 500 years ago, we were feudal agrarian societies constantly threatened with starvation. I don't think anybody really wants to go back to that. So we have to move on, and we have to address problems such as the planet, what we're doing to it, population and inequality. These are all things that have arisen from our push forward. But this is all part, I believe, of the learning process. We create problems, we have to solve them, and that is all part of our evolution and developing our mind principle. So there we are. We've come a long way. We're aware of our situation, that we could actually destroy ourselves if we're not careful. We're aware of it, and we have a lot of choice about how we move forward. No other species has this. We can make decisions about our future, and how we progress and whether we continue to exist. We could well, we could wipe ourselves out, or we could make the planet also almost uninhabitable, so that very few of us could live on it. And these are all things that we're going to have to face down. But this is part of our learning process, our evolution, and it's our choice. No other species has a choice like this. It's our choice about how we move forward, and we are participating in our own evolution in this phase of our evolution, our current root race. So it's entirely up to us.